Hello guys, in this video we will see how to fix Roblox error code, on Xbox Series X, connection failed, troubleshooting. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Simple power cycle your Xbox and network equipment content. Begin by performing a full power cycle of your Xbox Series X console. Hold down the Xbox button on the console for about seconds until it completely shuts off, then unplug the power cable from the back for at least 10 seconds while the console is unplugged. Also power cycle your internet router and modem by unplugging them from their power sources for at least 2 seconds before plugging them back in. Once your network equipment has fully restarted and your internet connection is established, plug your Xbox back in and power it on. This clears temporary network glitches and console cache that may be causing the connection failure.
Step: verify Xbox network connection and NAT type content. Navigate to your Xbox Series X network settings to ensure your connection is stable and optimized. Go to Settings, General Network Settings, select Test Network Connection and Test Network Speed Statistics. Pay close attention to your NAT type. An open NAT is ideal, while a moderate or strict NAT can restrict online game connectivity and cause error code. Also check for high latency or significant packet loss, as these indicate an unstable connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, consider connecting your Xbox directly to your router via an Ethernet cable for a more stable and faster connection. Step: by clear local Roblox save data, content corrupted or audited local game data. For Roblox on your Xbox can interfere with the game's ability to establish a stable connection. To clear this data, go to My Games, Apps, then highlight Roblox. Press the menu button 3 horizontal lines on your controller and select Manage Game and Add-ons. From there, navigate to Save Data and select your game method. Then choose Delete Everywhere or Delete from Console to remove local save files. Be assured this process will not delete your actual Roblox account or in-game purchases, only local cache that might be causing connection issues. After deleting, restart Roblox and attempt to connect again.
Step: change Xbox settings. Content your Xbox uses domain name system and servers to translate website names into IP addresses, and sometimes the default is provided by your internet service provider can be slow or struggle to connect to game servers. To change this, go to Settings, General Network Settings, Advanced Settings. In Settings menu will enter a public bin server such as Google's primary, secondary, or Cloudflare's primary without secondary. After entering these new values, ensure you save the settings. This can often resolve issues where your Xbox struggles to find or connect to Roblox servers.
Step: reinstall Roblox or contact support with content. If all previous troubleshooting steps fail to resolve error code, the complete reinstallation of Roblox on your Xbox Series X may be necessary. To do this, go to My Games, Apps, highlight Roblox, press the menu button and select Uninstall. Once the game is uninstalled, navigate to the Microsoft Store or your full library within My Games, Apps, and re-download Roblox after the fresh installation. Launch the game and attempt to connect. If the error persists, it's advisable to contact Roblox support or Xbox support, providing them with a detailed account of all the troubleshooting steps you have already performed.